Hey everyone, my name is Nicholas with say.digital, and in today's video we'll show you how to craft great emails that actually align with the customer journey using smart content in HubSpot. Alright, let's go. So what we'll do is we'll navigate to marketing, then email. And what we're going to do here is we'll create a new email. We'll just say regular here. And then the library of templates opens up. And for our video, we'll assume our company hosts a little bit of an event for customers, leads, and everyone that we work with. So we'll go with the event invitation. And the rationale for this email and why we're using smart content here is really that we want to make sure that depending on the lifecycle stage of a customer, we show them different content in this email. So let's assume for your leads, you just want to show them a different invitation than the one that you send out to customers or even evangelists, right? You just want to show some more love to those and provide some more relevant information to, say, leads or subscribers. So let's go. I'll open up the event invitation template. So we can see that here. Looks quite lovely. We have this long drink here, mixed by famous and renowned mixologist Chris Conan. And what we want to do now is this image here, we want to make it smart. So we basically want to show a different image to different types of customers depending on their life cycle stage. And in order to do that, we'll hover over that image here and we click more, and then we say add smart rule. And now we can say show different content based on, and we can select a category here and we'll go with contact lifecycle stage. And now we're going to add the lifecycle stages that we actually want to show different content to. So as I said earlier, we can do subscriber and lead as one lifecycle stage, and then we'll add another, which is our customers and evangelists. All right. And we just assume everything in between, we want to show the same long drink invite. So we'll just leave it there for the sake of this video. So we'll save. And now what we can see is that this module here is already flagged as a smart module, right? So HubSpot has recognized it's a smart module. And now when we click on this, we can see that when we edit the image, there's a smart rule variation. The category is contact lifecycle stage, which is what we selected. And now we can edit it for the different lifecycle stages or groups of lifecycle stages that we selected. So now this is the default invite, which is good to go. We said we want to keep it for all customers that sit in between. And now we can select our subscriber or lead stages and customer or evangelist stages. So let's go with the subscriber or lead stage. And what we said there is, they're much earlier on in the customer journey with us, so probably a long drink is a little too much. So we'll replace this image with, well, water. All right, so this is what all subscribers or leads will now be invited to, right? Like a fresh glass of water, nice. And then we have our customers or evangelists, right? The people that already work with us, that pay our bills. So we want to show some love. And we'll replace this with champagne, right? So they will now see this image here instead of the long drink, which I guess is a pretty good reason to go there. Now, we want to tell them about this as well. So in our settings, we'll navigate to the subject line. And let's say the standard subject line is like free long drink, and then we'll personalize it just a little bit. We'll select the contact's first name here. And then we can also add a smart rule here based on contact lifecycle stage again, right? So we can select one rule here that again matches subscriber and lead, which is exactly what we did before. And then we can add another rule that then is for customers and evangelists. So we'll simply add this. And now for subscribers or leads, we can say free water and personalize it on first name again. And then for customers or evangelists, we're going to say free champagne, and we'll put the first name there as well. All right. So now what we have is we have a smart rule here for content, and we have a smart rule for the subject line. Now let's see if that actually works. So we want to send a test email. And the nice thing about sending test emails through HubSpot is we can preview them as a specific contact. So let's quickly hover over to our contacts here, and we'll just select, we'll start with a lead. So a contact that is flagged as a lead, which is Patricia Rogers. No worries, these are all generic names, not real person. So Patricia Rogers is what we said. And now we'll send the test email. And if everything works, we should see a free water Patricia subject line and the water image in the email. So let me just go here, hit refresh. It says free water Patricia, and we see the water image. Nice. So, and then let us send another test email to a customer just to see if that actually works. So let's find a customer here, or even an evangelist, which is Ronald Stevens. He's an evangelist. So we'll search for Ronald, select Ronald, and we'll send the test email again. All right, move back here, hit refresh. Here we go. Free champagne, Ronald, because he's an evangelist and he sees the bottles of champagne. Nice. So this has worked, and it's a pretty straightforward example of how you can use smart content and smart rules within HubSpot to craft great emails that actually align with your customer journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and tips on how to get the most out of your HubSpot portal. And also, don't miss out on our new exclusive guide with 7 powerful HubSpot hacks that help you optimize performance and increase productivity in your HubSpot portal. The download is free, and you can find the link below this video.